Okay, these are the points of performance for our pressing pattern. And we're gonna show two variations today. The first one is a dumbbell bench press, okay? So when we actually are pressing up, we're really looking for a certain angle that's occurring between the shoulder and the torso. And really when we come down, we're adding a slight rotation of our hands and trying to make a little pizza slice or 45-degree angle between the shoulders and the torso, as Corey's showing here. The second thing is at the top of the movement, I'm not actually reaching so much that I lose my shoulder blade position. So when we have our back against something, our shoulder blades are staying down and not losing position at the top. The last thing in this position is actually our foot pressure. We're making sure we're pushing through the ground, which should create tension or stretching sensation in the quad and also tension in the glutes. Okay, 45-degree angle, not reaching so much at the top, maintaining tension through the feet to create tension in the lower body. The second movement that we'll show you here is the landmine press. And now, once we're actually up and our back is no longer against a surface, like in a bench press or in a floor press or in a machine where we're seated and pressing, we actually want some movement. And so the example here in the landmine press is when that arm comes up, we're actually getting some movement in our upper back versus compared to the dumbbell press. So in the landmine press, we actually have some movement up and around the rib cage. You can also see how Corey's hand is on his stomach as a cue to remind himself to not lean forward into it. This will actually create a little bit more challenge in the torso and musculature around the midsection. Okay, so pressing pattern here once we're up, adding a little bit more reach at the top of the movement versus when we're on a surface where our back is supported, we're not going to be reaching as much in that position. Okay, these are the points of performance for the pressing pattern.